Hey friends, welcome to Online Academy with AD. Types of mechanical waves. There are two types of mechanical waves. Firstly, we will see what are transverse waves. The waves in which particles of medium move perpendicularly to direction of propagation of waves are called transverse waves. Now we will define crest and trough. The highest points of particles of medium from their mean position are called crest. Trough. The lowest points of particles of medium from their mean position are called trough. Now we will see what is wavelength. Wavelength means length of wave. And the distance between two consecutive crest or trough is called wavelength of transverse wave. Now we will define second type of mechanical waves, which is longitudinal waves. The waves in which particles of medium move parallel to direction of propagation of waves are called longitudinal waves. Now we will see parts of longitudinal waves. First part is compressions. The regions of longitudinal waves where loops of spring are closer to each other are called compressions. Now we will see what is rarefactions. Rarefactions refers to regions where loops of spring are far away from each other. Now what is wavelength of longitudinal waves? The distance between two consecutive compressions or rarefactions is called wavelength. Subscribe for more interesting videos.